Look, Mommy. Toby's on the chair. Chloe's got the ball. And there's the other ball. Toby don't even care. Toby, where's the balls? Does he have them both? Look it. She has them both. Does Chloe have both of the balls? Toby doesn't care. Look at that.
This is about.
Toby?
This is about revenge. Dad tipped you off.
You have the ball? Let me see. Okay. Okay, now you want the ball? Okay, go get it, guys. Here's the other one. Here's the other one. You have it? Okay. Okay, now, give me this one. Okay. Here, I'll throw it. Do you want to give it to me? Give me the ball. Okay. Drop it and I'll throw it. Drop it. There's the other one. Who's going to give me the ball? Did you take them both? Did you take them both? Toby, if you give it to me, I'll throw it. Okay. He doesn't want to play today. We'll play tonight. Okay.
We lost our mother. We made you lose my father. And I tell you right now, take that stand, and you will lose me.
Come on, Toby, I'll play with you. Come on. Somebody give me the ball. Hurry up. Get the ball. Where is it? Get it. Okay.
Mrs. Reynolds, on a winter evening last year, you went unannounced to visit your father and what you thought was
You have to give me the ball if you want me to throw it.
Could you tell us what you discovered?
Okay. You're good.
A woman, not his wife. And a woman. She was a good deal younger than your mother.
Can you hand me the ball? Hand me the ball. Get the ball. Give me the ball. Okay, hand me it. Hand me the ball. You guys.
And seeing your father with this younger woman who you felt hurt, betrayed.
Why do you put it down there?
She gave your father 30 years of her life. Raised his children. She even helped him build his business, didn't she?
Toby?
And when your father finally achieved success, when he no longer had a pressing need for your mother.
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
Sustained. It's over in the sneakers. It's in Poppy's sneakers. Where's Poppy's sneakers? Yeah, right there. See him? Poppy's sneakers. Okay? Grampy's sneakers. It's Grampy's sneakers, right?
And why do it, Mrs. Reynolds? Why put yourself through this anguish?
Do you want to give me your ball?
And which truth is that?
Tobe? Tobes, give me your ball. I'll throw it.
Your father's not on trial for